Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to send disappearing voice messages in WhatsApp. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the chat conversation where you want to send a voice message. Long press on the microphone button to begin a recording. If you recording a short voice message, you can continue like this. And if you recording a long voice message, pull up to put the recorder into hands-free mode. You will then see a new one in a round circle icon. Tap it. And your voice message will be set to view once mode. Then simply tap the send button. And your voice note will be sent. You won't be able to listen to your voice message when you send it this way. Once the other user listens to it, the message will disappear. So in this way, you can send disappearing voice messages in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.